This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. This lesson is part of the Express course and part of Course D. It's lesson 14 in the Express course and lesson 11 in Course D. While loops with the farmer. Puzzle 8. Let's see. Look at all those holes. Each one needs a different amount of dirt. Okay. You can use a while loop to easily fill them all. We can. So we have one block here. And we want to use 10 or less. Okay. So we can use a while loop. Well, I want to move forward. Let's just start by dragging out what we would want to do without a loop. When I move forward, I want to fill this, obviously, but how many times? Well, 3 times and then 1 time, 2 times. All of these are a different amount, and this one doesn't even tell us. So that gives me a big hint that if there's a hole, right, while there's a hole, that way, since I don't know how many times, I don't know how many numbers to put out, especially down here, right? So should I put out 5 fill blocks? 10? We don't know. I'd have to do all of these, and then I have no idea how much that is. So what I want to do is just say fill while there's a hole. So once, twice, 3 times, and it will just keep repeating this until there's no more hole. That's perfect. Let's try it. And that takes care of that one. Now I need to get to these other blocks. It doesn't want me to use... Oh, it does want me to use a repeat. So I'm guessing then, whatcha? But this is just going to have me go forward forever, I think. You can always run code and be wrong. It's good to test. So now I'll move forward again. Oh, and I hit the edge. So maybe after I fill a hole, I should turn? What if I were to turn... right? Let's try turning right. So I should fill this hole, I should turn right, I should move forward, should fill that hole. Oh, almost though. Let's see. So I ended up turning around in a big circle. I need to turn right, fill this hole, and then I'm going to have to turn left. I want to go this way. I got sidetracked here. I think, go right. Let's drag move forward. Before I was moving forward because it would loop. Let's go ahead and move forward. We're not supposed to use repeat, but if we do this again, and we could fill that hole, then let's double check. Where am I at now? So I'm going to fill that hole. I'm going to turn right like before and move forward and fill this. And now I can turn left and then loop back around, move forward, fill this hole, turn right, move forward, fill this hole, I think. Ta-da! Awesome. I think we got it. Up. So, we're combining all sorts of stuff here. Uh-oh. Oh. Did I think I forgot to put in. Let's try doing, was there 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try that. And so what this is doing, we're using 2 nested while loops. While loops check. If there is a hole I'm filling, it says true. And boom. So what a while loop does is it's checking. It says, hey computer, is there a hole here? And if the computer says true, there's a hole. We run the code inside. So fill 1. Boop. Hit the bottom, go back to the top. Now we check again. Is there a hole here? If the computer says true, there's a hole. We fill. Hit the bottom, go back to the top. Hey computer, there's a hole. Is there a hole here? Nope, you filled it. Then we skip this code and keep running the rest. That's what's happening there. And we're nesting them, right? They're inside a repeat loop. That's awesome. All right, let's keep going.